Selena, Class 10, Chapter 10, Arithmetic Progression. A group of numbers which are arranged in a definite order following a certain rule is called a sequence. Example: 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 and so on. 30 minus 3 27, 27 minus 3 24 and so on. The numbers used in a sequence are called its elements or terms. When the numbers or terms in a sequence are connected to each other by a positive sign or a negative sign, the sequence becomes series. An arithmetic progression is a series of numbers in which each term can be obtained by adding a certain quantity to its preceding terms. In an arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive numbers is called its common difference and is denoted by D. In an IAP, the first term is denoted by A. The nth term of an AP is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In an AP, last term is denoted by L. L equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. For an AP, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If D is greater than 0, then AP is increasing. If D is less than 0, the AP is decreasing. If D is equal to 0, all the terms in AP are same. The rth term from its n equal to n minus r plus 1th term from the beginning. Exercise 10A. First sum. Which of the following sequences are in arithmetic progression? First part: 2, 6, 10, 14. D1 6 minus 2 4. D2 10 minus 6 4. D3 14 minus 10 4. Since D1 equal to D2 equal to D3, the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Second part: 15, 12, 9, 6. D1 equal to 12 minus 15 minus 3. 9 minus 12 minus 3. D2. D3 equal to 6 minus 9 minus 3. Since D1 equal to D2 equal to D3, the given sequence is in arithmetic progression. Part 3. 5, 9, 12, 18. D1 equal to 9 minus 5 4. D2 equal to 12 minus 9 3. Since D1 not equal to D2, the given sequence is not in the arithmetic progression. Fourth part: half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. D1 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 equal to LCM is 6. 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 6. D2 equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 12. 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1 by 12. Since D1 is not equal to D2, the given sequence is not in the arithmetic progression. Second sum. The nth term of the sequence is 2n minus 3. Find its 15th term. N term of an AP equal to 2n minus 3. Tn equal to 2n minus 3. 15 term equal to T15 equal to 2 into 15 minus 3. 30 minus 3 27. T15 equal to 27. Third sum. If the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3, find the AP. Pth term of an AP 2p plus 3. implies Tp equal to 2p plus 3. Putting t equal to 1, 2, 3, we get when t is 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3, 5. When t2, 2 into 2 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. T3, 2 into 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, and so on. Hence, thus AP equal to 5, 7, 9, and so on. Fourth sum, find the 24th term of the sequence 12, 10, 8, 6. The given sequence is 12, 10, 8, 6. 10 minus 12 minus 2. 8 minus 10 minus 2. 6 minus 8 minus 2. Hence, the given sequence is an AP. First term A equal to 12. Common difference D equal to minus 2. The general term of an AP is given by Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values, we get A T24 equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1 into minus 2. 12, 24 minus 1, 23 into minus 2 equal to 12 minus 46 equal to minus 34. T24 equal to minus 34. 24 term equal to minus 34. Sum number 5. Find the 30th term of the sequence half, 1, 3 by 2 and so on. The given sequence is half, 1, 3 upon 2, so on. 1 minus half, half. 3 upon 2 minus 1, half, etc. Hence, the given sequence is an AP with first term A equal to half and common difference D equal to half. The general term of an AP is given by Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values, we get T30 equal to half plus 30 minus 1 into half. Half plus 29 upon 2 equal to 29 plus 1, 30 upon 2 equal to 15. So, 30th term equal to 15. Sum number 6. Find the 100th term of the sequence root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3 and so on. The given AP is 3 root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3. 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 equal to root 3. Hence, the given sequence is an AP with first term A equal to root 3, common difference D equal to root 3. The general form of an AP is given by Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T100 equal to root 3 plus 100 minus 1 into root 3 equal to 100 minus 1, 99 root 3. 1 root 3 plus 99 root 3 equal to 100 root 3. 100 term equal to 100 root 3. Sum number 7. Find the 50th term of the sequence 1 upon n plus 1 upon n, 2n plus 1 upon n. The given sequence equal to 1 upon n plus 1 upon n, 2n plus 1 upon n, and so on. N plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon n equal to n plus 1 minus 1 upon n equal to n upon n equal to 1. 2n plus 1 upon n minus n plus 1 upon n equal to 2n plus 1 minus n minus 1 upon n equal to n upon n equal to 1, etc. Hence, the given sequence is in AP with first term A equal to 1 upon n and common difference D equal to 1. The general term of an AP is given by Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D into D. T50 equal to 1 upon n plus 50 minus 1 into 1 equal to 1 upon n. 50 minus 1 is 49. 50th term equal to 1 upon n plus 49.